Tumbele Simon. Come on me. Imami.
Baba.
Come.
Resack you.
Move your bata.
We are not a front to. Eh?
Afi, sit down.
Sit down.
You only want to come.
Come on, you fall down on the sound.
Come on, my friend, stop that.
Resack you.
Don't do that in my shrine.
No vex, Baba, no vex.
You think say they wise?
Baba, I'm supposed to carry me come here.
Speak, my son. What can I do for you?
You see, I go let me get me do jazz. And now those women tired, and then they agree for me. I beg, just if you go fear me do jazz, so that at least even though I want woman I'll get one hand, because I use my own body. I beg, I don't tire to be close.
This place is called Tumbele Simon Shrine. Tumbele Simon Shrine. When you come here, you will not go back with your problem. People give testimonies. This place is the last bus stop. My son,
Talk am.
you don't have any problem.
Now make a toast to Baba.
Wise.
Come, my friend.
Resack you.
It's a smart thing. I'll do for you.
Thank you.
70 years old man.
Tumbele Simon. Ekabumiya. Abi mami. Nando ne wajibe. Doesn't never be good. Yo.
The girl talk.
My son, I told you this is the last bus stop. I'll do for you, but with one condition.
What's the condition about?
And you must not disobey the gods of Tumbele Simon.
What's the condition about?
Kenapa tu macam ni? Esok nama kikut. Apa dah? Ayo saya lala kenam. Mana ni nama ni? Ini namu. Stay this way.
Let's have it.
Hey, listen to me.
Would I too much?
Water must not touch this ring. And this ring, anybody you touch will follow you. Just like that.
Baba, chop knuckle.
Be careful. Hey, be careful on who you touch. Don't touch the person you don't like.
Okay.
If you like, go and touch your mother. She will be in love with you.
I like fine girls over.
And listen,
No problem.
the first girl you use with this thing, you use this nun. After sleeping with her, you must bring her to my shrine. God of Tumbele Simon have to take his own share.
Say what's happening.
Resack you.
Why go be like that now, Baba? Say what's happening now. All the cause of get your own share. Say
You
what's
say they wise.
but now when they follow me, they share my woman. I be on to it now.
Do you want to die or you want to run mad? You must not argue anything with me.
Baba, you go need to change that. I know.
Listen to me. I first woman you use on this on, after sleeping with her, you must bring her to my shrine. I will take my own share. If not, you run mad.
5 years.
I go.
I don't hear. You sure anything go work?
Will you keep quiet?
Boss. Okay. I don't hear. Oh, Allah. We'll come back.
You be moved.
So, no, Allah.
Hey!
Baba, I don't show.
Only you waka come.
The thing is make a bring come. I don't come.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
About Tiamo.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
I don't enjoy it.
You see this boy?
What's happening?
You're out of your mind. Wait. Annabelle, what are you doing with my daughter? Hold on, what are you doing with my daughter? Oh,
I don't know.
oh, I help you. I help you. I help you. You now go and use that chance on my daughter. Hold on, didn't you know that I'm your father? Annabelle, what is wrong with you? Oh, you use my daughter. You use my daughter. Wait for me.
Run!